V168 Pro MAX GPS drone, the ultimate 8K aerial powerhouse with 5G Wi-Fi and screen remote control. The V168 Pro MAX GPS drone is a revolutionary drone designed for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Packed with a 5G Wi-Fi 8K HD camera, 4.5-inch screen remote control, and 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, this drone redefines aerial photography and videography. Whether you're capturing cinematic landscapes, live streaming, or exploring advanced flight modes, the V168 Pro MAX delivers unmatched performance, stability, and creativity. Key features: 8K HD camera with adjustable angle. Capture stunning 8K photos and videos with a 90 degrees adjustable camera for dynamic, professional-grade shots. 5G Wi-Fi real-time transmission, stream live footage up to 5 km without interference or lag. 4.5-inch LCD screen remote control. Fly with precision using the built-in 4.5-inch LCD screen for real-time image transmission, no smartphone required. 360 degrees obstacle avoidance. Fly confidently with 360 degrees obstacle detection up to 20 meters, ensuring safe and collision-free flights. GPS intelligent tracking and follow me mode. GPS tracking automatically follows you or a subject, perfect for action shots and vlogs. Image tracking recognizes and locks onto subjects for seamless tracking. Brushless motors and optical flow hovering. 7.4V brushless motors, powerful, quiet, and durable for stable flights and extended lifespan. Optical flow hovering ensures precise hovering even in windy conditions. Long-range digital image transmission. Enjoy 3 to 5 km digital image transmission for crystal clear, interference-free footage. Smart lithium battery and extended flight time. 7.4V 2000 mAh battery provides up to 25 to 30 minutes of flight time. Exact duration depends on usage. Remote control battery 3.7V 1500 mAh for extended control sessions. Foldable and portable design. Compact folding size 18 by 12.5 by 7 cm makes it easy to carry, while the unfolded size 36 by 34 by 7 cm ensures stability during flight. Specifications: camera 8K HD with 90 degrees adjustable angle. Remote control 4.5-inch LCD screen with real-time transmission. Transmission 5G Wi-Fi, up to 5 km range. Obstacle avoidance 360 degrees all-round obstacle avoidance, up to 20 meters. Motors brushless 7.4V. Battery 7.4V 2000 mAh. Drone 3.7V 1500 mAh. Remote. Flight time up to 25 to 30 minutes. Control range up to 5 km. Weight, lightweight and portable design. What's included? One V168 Pro MAX drone. One 4.5-inch LCD screen remote control. One 8GB high-speed memory card. One card reader. One drone battery. 8 spare propellers. One USB charging cable. One screwdriver. One user manual. One Wi-Fi manual. Why choose the V168 Pro MAX GPS drone? The V168 Pro MAX is a game-changer in the drone industry, combining professional-grade features with user-friendly design. Its 8K camera and 5G Wi-Fi transmission ensure stunning visuals, while the 4.5-inch screen remote control eliminates the need for a smartphone. With 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, GPS tracking, and brushless motors, this drone is perfect for beginners and pros alike. Whether you're filming vlogs, exploring FPV, or mastering advanced flight modes, the V168 Pro MAX adapts to your creativity. Plus, its foldable design and long flight time make it ideal for travel and outdoor adventures. Fly smarter, capture bolder, the V168 Pro MAX redefines aerial excellence.